Hi, I'm Mark Pennings, Technical Support Manager at Bay-Lynx Manufacturing. Bay-Lynx uses a pneumatic oiler to lubricate the conveyor chain on your mixer. The key components of this system are the reservoir, the solenoid valve, a pneumatic diaphragm pump, pressure regulator, and the spray nozzles. When the conveyor belt is engaged, a signal is sent to the electric solenoid valve, which then sends air to the diaphragm pump and the pressure regulator. The diaphragm pump delivers oil to the spray nozzle, and the air regulator delivers air pressure to the nozzle, which in turn mists the oil and delivers it to the chain. We recommend that you inspect your system periodically to ensure that an adequate amount of oil is being delivered from the diaphragm pump, and that the nozzles are clean and delivering oil correctly. You may have to remove the nozzle periodically to clean them. The system works best at 15 to 20 psi air pressure on the regulator. Any more than that will force the oil back up the delivery tube and prevent delivery to your chain. The conveyor chains should be wet but not dripping oil. To control the amount of oil being delivered by the system, there is an adjusting screw on the back side of the nozzle. Turning it clockwise will reduce the amount of oil being delivered. Turning it counterclockwise will increase. Any lightweight motor oil will work in the chain oiler. We recommend using a 5-weight oil.